And the flower petal tickled the nose of the big blue whale.
Mommy, I remember the ending. The big blue whale is going to...
Shh, Kwala. I don't remember the ending.
Oh, sorry, Boowa.
And the big blue whale sneezed. Ah, ah, ah.
Tissue!
And Siwa and Gula Gula came to save the big blue whale.
I will take the petal off the big blue whale, so it doesn't tickle anymore. And the big blue whale lives happily ever after. Yay! Happily ever after. Can we play puppets?
Yeah. Can I be the pig?
Ooh, and me, La, I can be the wolf. Ow, ow, ow. I don't like pig and wolf stories. I'm a princess. And I am Prince Charming. Ow, ow. Ow, ow. Ow, ow. My love. My love. Ow, ow. Ow, ow. My love.
Strange. I can hear a wolf and a pig. I can even hear a prince and a princess. But I can't see them.
Should we go and play with my real puppets? Yeah!
Let the show begin. Have you seen the wolf, children?
Oh, there aren't enough people here to see the show, La.
You're right, Kwala. Come on, I have an idea.
Roll up for the puppet show.
Tonight in Siwa's Puppet Theatre.
My love. My love. Follow us.
Join our puppet parade.
Ooh, there are lots of people. Ah. Hello, good day, you. I am Kwala, how do you do? I'm very well, I look like you are too. I am the wolf, and I say ooh.
Hello, good day, you. I am Boowa, how do you do? I'm very well, I hope that you are too. I am the pig, and I'm scared of the wolf.